Hey everyone! In today's tutorial, I'll show you how to join two tables in Excel using Power Query. We'll combine an orders table and employees table to pull employee names, job titles, and regions into our order list automatically. Let's get started. Here we have two tables. Orders with columns employee ID, order number, order date, and order type. And the second one is employees with columns employee name, employee job title, sales region, and employee ID. The common column between these two tables is employee ID. That's where we will join them. So first, let's make both of the tables formatted as Excel table. So I'll click anywhere and navigate to table and select a certain design. And do the same for the second one. To start, select anywhere inside your first table and go to data, and under get and transform, select from table and range. That opens Power Query. Let's change the order date to a simple date, and now we'll close and load into data model only, and we'll create only connections. We'll do the same with the second table. Click anywhere and navigate to data from table and range, and now close and load to only create connection and add to the data model. Now we'll go back to Power Query to merge both tables, so I can click on any of the two and go back to edit. To join the two tables, we'll navigate to home, merge queries, and we'll merge queries as new. Now we have the orders, and we'll select employee ID, and then we'll select the employees table, and again employee ID is the common column between the two tables. For the join kind, in this case we'll use left outer. This means that everything from the orders table will remain, and we will add the additional information from employees table wherever we have a matching line. So we have more options, right outer, which will do the same but the opposite, so it will only keep the right table, the second table, and we'll add matching lines from the first. We have full outer, we'll keep both lines from both tables, and inner only matching the rows between the two tables. Left anti is only lines in the first table but not in the second, and right anti is the rows in the second but not in the first. So we'll keep the first default option, which is perfect for us. Here we have the second table added, so we'll unselect the employee ID, we'll leave the three other columns. We need to rename them and just make them the same format as the orders table. So we'll remove the employees part in the name. You can rearrange if you want, move the employee ID closer to here, so we can do, for example, this, just move it here in front the employee information. And now that we are ready, we can close and load is the last step of our process. So select close and load, and we can select table, and we will select a new worksheet that's best for us. And that's it. You've successfully joined two tables in Excel using Power Query. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like the video, subscribe for more Excel tips, and turn on notification so you don't miss any upcoming videos. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next one.